Some natural painkillers. Number first is pineapple. Pineapple help to reduce stomach bloating and gas problems. It's packed with nutrients, antioxidants, and other helpful compounds such as enzymes that can protect against inflammation and disease. Second is turmeric. Turmeric helps to reduce chronic pain. Research has shown turmeric extract was as effective as ibuprofen. Next is blueberry. Blueberry for UTI mean urinary tract infection. These little juicy blueberries have a lots of phytonutrients that may fight inflammation. Next is ginger. Ginger work as muscle relaxer. Ginger also used as painkiller. The anti-inflammatory properties seem to help relieve pain and improve joint function in people who have arthritis. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.